Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can secure your plastic rivet like this one without using any gun. I have a regular rivet gun, but this one has two small opening in it, so this plastic pin just doesn't fit into it. So you cannot use this one, and the special rivet gun for plastic rivets it's pretty expensive. So if you need to do some small work like I do, because I'm securing my fender flare on my car door, and it literally has just three holes to fill in with the rivet. So I'm not going to buy this gun. Will try to use something what I have. So what I have is this a regular plier, and this is a removal tool, but actually you can use anything to protect your door from scratches during the installation. So what I do, I just put in this rivet, secure it with the removal tool, and just trying to pull out this plastic pin out of the rivet like this, just rolling it out. So then I can just use a knife to cut off the leftovers like this. This is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.